Well, I don't mean to be glib about it, but I think it's worth asking ourselves, are we still trying to sell to and connect with actual human beings? So much of the world is automated anymore, but if we're looking to connect with humans, then maybe we should look at communicating in a way that is relatable to people. I think that if you pay attention and look around, you'll notice that we don't communicate with each other as human beings. In the relationships that we appreciate, at least, we don't communicate with each other the way that we advertise at each other. How much would we appreciate someone who chose to boast, brag, shame, nag, blame, scare, compete, compare? I mean, I don't want to be around people who are communicating that way, do you? But if you look at so many marketing messages, that seems to be the essence of it. What makes us think that people will be attracted to that? Just my opinion. So what can we do about it? Maybe just start becoming more aware of how we communicate and what we appreciate about the communication from the people that we feel closest to, and then start integrating that into the messaging representing our business.